Hello viewers, in this video I will tell you about this medicine whose name is Mucoride, which is also in syrup, Mucoride syrup, mucolytic bronchodilator, non-drowsy, chesty and wheezy cough, congestion and emphysema, bronchitis, color-free and with fruit sugar. So advanced formula 120 ml approx. Here is written some instructions and some information about it. Store at a temperature below 30 degrees centigrade and humidity below 60%. Protect from light, freezing and excessive heat. Keep out of reach of children. To be sold on the prescription of a registered medical practitioner only. Okay, which here are some instructions written in our local language, which is Urdu, so we are not going to read them. ML number is 000397, registration number 069359, GTIN 08964 001663454. So fruit sugar is used as a sweetener in food for diabetics. So now here are some instructions which are composition. Each 5 ml contains ambroxol as HSI BP 15 mg, salbutamol BP 1 mg, guanfenol phenycin 50 mg, methanol 1 mg. Product specifications: Pharmix, dosage adults over 12 years, 2 teaspoonful 3 times daily. Children 6 to 12 years, 2 teaspoonful 2 to 3 times daily. 2 to 6 years, 1 teaspoonful 3 times daily. 1 to 2 years, half to 1 teaspoonful 2 times daily. So Pharmix Laboratories PVT Ltd. So here we are going to unbox the syrup and we are going to open it and see how it look like. So this is the main bottle of this syrup, which is very good packed and sealed very well. So do not use if the seal is broken. Each 5 ml contains same information which was written on the box. So here we are going to check whether anything else in the box or not. Here is some text information in the box. We are going to read it as well. So this is the syrup whose information is Mucoride syrup. Mucoride is combination of ambroxol, salbutamol, guanfenol, methanol, which collectively results in relaxation of bronchial smooth muscles, liquefies, reduces the viscosity of mucus secretions. So here we are going to read some information which is Mucoride. Description: Mucoride is combination of ambroxol, salbutamol, guanfenol, methanol, which collectively results in relaxation of bronchial smooth muscles, liquefies and reduces the viscosity of muscle secretions and results in relief of cough associated with bronchitis, bronchial asthma, emphysema and other bronchopulmonary disorders. Composition as written on the box. So pharmacodynamics: ambroxol is a clinically proven systemically active mucolytic agent. When administered orally, onset of action occurs after about 30 minutes. The breakdown of acid mucopolysaccharide fibers makes the sputum thinner and less viscous and therefore more easily removed by coughing. Salbutamol. Salbutamol is a short-acting alpha-2 adrenergic receptor against used for the relief of bronchospasm in conditions such as asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Guaifenesin, an expectorant which clears chest congestion by loosening and reducing the viscosity of phlegm, increasing the volume of phlegm and making coughs more productive. Menthol, an organic compound made synthetically or obtained from peppermint or other mint oils. It has local anesthetic and counter counterirritant quality, and it is widely used to relieve minor throat irritation. Pharmacokinetics. Ambroxol absorption. Ambroxol is rapidly absorbed 70 to 80% after oral administration. The time to reach peak plasma concentration is approximately 2 hours. Distribution. The distribution half-life of Ambroxol is around 1 to 3 hours. Metabolite is dibromoanthanilic acid. Activity unspecified. Excretion is primarily via the kidneys. Renal clearance rate is approximately 53 ml per minute. Approximately 5 to 6% of a dose is excreted unchanged in the urine. The elimination half-life of Ambroxol is biphasic with an alpha half-life of 1.3 hours, a beta half-life of 8.8 hours. Absorption. Guaifenesin is well absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract following oral administration through limited information regarding its pharmacokinetics is available. So that was the video in which I have told you about this syrup whose name is Mucorid, which is syrup mucolytic bronchodilator. So if you like the video, then do like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and never forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss any further updates from my channel. That's all from my side. Goodbye.